Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are doing another thrift with me. So we're going to head into Renew right now, and then I'm probably going to head up the either Salvation Army or the Goodwill as well. So without further ado, let's go ahead inside and see what we can find today. So today we are going to be filming another thrift with me. So we're going to head into Renew right now, probably going to hit up the Goodwill and Salvation Army as well. So let's go ahead inside and see what we can find. Hopefully we can find some really good home decor and some clothing too. So let's go ahead and get into it. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Nicole and this is The Simplistic Home, and here on my channel I share all things simple living, affordable decorating, and thrifting, and once a week I do love to share a thrift with me style video. So that is today's video, as you can see. So just sit back, relax, let's shop together and see what all this store has out today. As you can see, they do have an array of baskets. This is something that I love looking out for whenever I'm thrifting. You can find so many unique shapes and sizes and really good price points as well. I absolutely love thrifting my home decor, so if you are new here to my channel, you will catch on very quickly that thrifting home decor is one of my all-time favorite things to do. And if you are interested in seeing some decorating style videos and how I style my thrifted pieces in my home, be sure to check out my playlist linked down below. It is titled Spring 2022. I have all types of spring decorating that I filmed this year, and I just really love incorporating the thrifted pieces into my home. Other items that I enjoy thrifting are furniture and also clothing. So you will see in today's video that I do end up purchasing some clothing, so stay tuned for the haul portion of today's video. And also I do work at the specific thrift store. So if you did not know that, I do work here, and once a week I go in and I style my favorite picks and decorate a section that is dedicated to the simplistic home. So it is so cool. This is the perfect gig for me. I absolutely love taking thrifted pieces and giving them new life and styling them for others. That way they know how they can decorate them in their home, and just to get a really good feel for the items that you can find while thrifting. So this is the little section that I was talking about. This is actually before I decorated, so this is what's left from the previous week. And then afterwards, it is a total transformation. So like I said, I love taking thrifted pieces and styling them for others just to give them some inspiration and also encouragement on thrifting, because you might not know what you can find while you're thrifting. So I think staging them and just making them look really beautiful and giving them that second chance for others to see how they can use them in their own home is so wonderful. I absolutely love doing that. I also have a small business called The Simplistic Home, where here in my hometown, in my local area, I set up at vendor events and I do the same thing. I style them for others and then in hope that they will purchase them for their own home and just give it another chance and some new life. So if you guys enjoy these decorating style videos and thrifting videos, don't forget to subscribe today, because I would love to have you here, and I share all types of affordable decorating and thrifting here on my channel. Alright, so we are out of Renew, and I did end up picking up a few things while I was in there. So I'm going to go ahead and show you like a mini haul right now. One of the things that I picked up, actually two of the things that I picked up are just like basic tops that I can mix and match pretty much all year round. But one of them is just a black tank right here. It was $2. The other one is a like nude and white striped v-neck tee. This one is the brand A New Day from Target, and it was $2 as well. I also ended up picking up these shoes. They're kind of like that Birkenstock style shoe, and I want some new ones. So I ended up finding these. These look brand new, and they were only $2, so super cute. I'll wear these all summer long. And then another pair of shoes that I found today are these white ones. So these are really cute too. These were also $2, so can't beat it. And I thought that this would be cute to go like with the shirt and the sandals, so have that. And then I ended up picking up this basket here. So it is pretty big, and it was only $4. So my thought for this is I can either put this like on top of my hall tree at some point with florals. I can set it on my bench in my living room. There's just a lot of different places I could put this, but I really like the style of these baskets. And like I said, this one was only $4. So I did end up picking that up as well. On to the Goodwill. So the Goodwill actually had some really cute things this week too. So I ended up finding these wicker pumpkins, and they also had some florals that were originally from Hobby Lobby. The pumpkins were originally from Hobby Lobby as well, so really good finds there. And then I absolutely love the fireplace cover that I found. So you guys will see it here in just a second. It was really pretty, and I have a fireplace in my home that my husband DIY'd last year, and I've been looking for a cover for it, but I want something super unique, and I thought this one was pretty, but I'm holding out to find the perfect piece. I just got out the Goodwill. They had some really cute things in there. I really liked those wicker pumpkins. I thought those were super cute. Those were from Hobby Lobby because they still had the tags on them, and I think they were like $2.50 a piece or something. And then that floral stem was also originally from Hobby Lobby. And I was on the fence about that fireplace cover. I thought that was really pretty, and I've contemplating like getting something like that for our fireplace in our living room, but I just haven't yet. So I don't know. I kind of want one that has a little more detail on it, and that one wasn't super detailed. So we'll see. And it was $30 too. So I'd like to get one a little bit cheaper if I can. And like I said, one with more detail. So still keeping an eye out for one. But I did end up picking up that Universal Thread shirt. So I scored another one. I'm always on the hunt for Universal Thread. I love them. I love the brand that Target has. So anyway, that's what I found there. And Renew had a lot of good things as well, if you guys saw that. But yeah, so anyway, thank you guys so much for watching today. I think I'm going to go ahead and end today's video here. And like I said at the beginning of this video, the simplistic home is all things simple living, affordable decorating, and thrifting. I'm going to be doing some redecorating in my home coming up for summer. I know we're still in May, but towards the end of this month, probably after Memorial Day, I'm going to kind of redecorate some things and just kind of switch it up in my home, get rid of the spring florals and things like that. So be on the lookout for those videos. I still have some more planned coming up, and I'm super excited to share with you guys. So be sure to give this video a thumbs up if you like thrifting and affordable decorating. Don't forget to subscribe if you are new, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.